Hello friends, in this video we will see how you can read from a file using C programming language. So I've written some content in a file called text.txt. So the content of the file is here. You can see the first line is reading the first line, second line, third line and fourth line. So this file contains four lines and we have to read these 4 lines using C programming language. So to read it, we'll open a program, and in this program we will include our header file. We will write our main function, and to open a file we have to use fopen function. So the fopen function has two parameters. The first parameter is the file path, which you have to give in double quotes. So our file is in the same directory as our program, so you don't have to give a full path, you just have to give the relative path. So our file name is text.txt. So here you can give absolute path and relative path both. So we will choose the relative path and we will give the name of the file. And then the second parameter is in which mode you have to open the file. So we will write here R to open it in a read-only mode. So this fopen returns a file pointer pointing to this file. So we have to catch this in a file pointer. So the file pointer is file.fp. So this fp is a file pointer pointing towards this text.txt file. So then after our file is opened, then we have to read the contents of the file line by line. So for that we will use fgetters function. So fgetters function has three parameters. The first parameter is a buffer, which we have to provide explicitly. You can provide the buffer of any size, but the bigger is better. So we will choose the size of 512. So this is the buffer of 512 bytes. So we'll just give some indentation to make it look better. So fgetters will read the string from this file text.txt. So the first parameter is buffer. The second parameter is the how many bytes you have to read at a time. So we will just give the size of buffer here. So it will read the 512 bytes at a time, or whenever the escape sequence occurs, that is next line occurs, it will just read it and write it in this buffer. So the third parameter is the file pointer, which is we have given this file pointer fp. So we will take this file pointer here. So at the first instant it will read the first line as the next line escape sequence occurs at the end of the first line. So after that we will just print this using printf function. We have to print this buffer only. So this is the completion of our program. We will just save it, and after compilation just run this program and you can see it is reading the first line from this file. So it is not reading the all file, but it is just reading the first line. So to read all the file you just have to run this fgetters function in a loop. So for that we'll just write a while function here. So whenever fgetS fails, it returns the null value. So we have to read this till fgetS returns null, and we have to print this. So after improvising our code, we will just compile it again and then we will run it. So here you can see we have read the whole file using C programming language. So this is the end of the video. So if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.